Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can log out of your user account and your user profile in the Shift AI browser. For instance, if you'd like to stop synchronizing your Shift AI browser with your device and your profile. So let us dive into this. So guys, here as you can see, I'm in the Shift AI browser. Make sure that you're logged into your user profile first. To do that, or to check that, click into that synchronize button in the top right. Click into manage sync here. And you will see the given Shift account you're currently logged in here at the top. So you may disable the synchronization here, or you may sign out of your account by clicking into this button, confirm, and now you have been signed out successfully. You can sign in again by clicking into this button, and as you can see, the synchronization has now been turned off or is inactive because you will need your user account to keep the synchronization going. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.